Hello, in front of me I have TCL 60 SE NXTpaper, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock this device without the password. Okay, so let's begin, but in the beginning a quick information that please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime and that's also unethical. So for the first method, let's pretend that this phone isn't locked, but the things and the steps that I'm going to show you, basically you need to repeat on other device, because you know this phone will be locked. So we need to open up your browser, and now we need to type find hub or find my device, it's up to you. Also let me adjust the brightness. Okay, also make sure that you are logged in into the same Google account on which you are logged in on your TCL. It is really important. So open up your Find Hub. Now select your TCL, just like me. And now we need to select factory reset device. And remember that for this method, and also for the second that I'm going to show you, basically you will lose all of your data. So if you don't have a backup, I'm sorry, you will lose all of your data, but it's the only way. So you can also read about it right in here, that all data will be erased permanently from our device. After the reset, the device location will not be available in Find Hub, and if the device is offline, erasing will begin once it's online again. Okay, now you need to click on next, and then you need to type your password into your Google account to reset the device. If you do everything properly, the device will be turned off, then turned on again, and the next thing you need to do is to set up your device. So that is the first method, and now let me show the second one. So now we have the password, and we don't have access to the phone. And now what to do? First we need to power off our device, so let's turn on the power button and let's click on power off. Okay, and now we want to enter the recovery mode, and from that place we will be able to reset our device. So now let's hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time, just like that. Let's keep on holding until we will be in the recovery mode. Actually, when the TCL logo appeared, we can release the finger from the power button, but just in case, let's hold the volume up. Okay, and now we are in the Android recovery. Now, using the volume keys, we need to move around this menu and select Wipe Data and Factory Reset. Now confirm by clicking the power button. Now select Factory Data Reset. Remember that for this method, also all your data will be deleted. Now confirm by clicking the power button. Now the process is running. Okay, data wipe has been completed. Now select Reboot System now. Confirm by clicking the power button. And now within a few seconds the phone will be turned on. And the next thing you need to do is to set up your device. Also, you might try to go into the authorized center where you bought your device and there look for help. Alright, but that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.